What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to show you how to place a pixel so you can generate leads and give Facebook proper information, even if you can't get the pixel placed on the advertiser. Thank you, page. All right, welcome back. So this is going to be a little bit of a nice setup for you guys in ClickFunnels here, showing you how to help Facebook track a page view, a lead, and then ultimately a lead submission or a purchase, however you want to call it, depending on what you're doing. I'm doing a lead gen campaign, so I figured I'd show you guys the setup here. It's a pretty cool setup. If you like this kind of video and you enjoy the content, please like the video and share it with your friends. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and bang that notifications bell, as we teach you how to make money online on this channel. And we're growing nicely, and I do appreciate it. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're in ClickFunnels, okay? And you can do this in any of the funnel building websites. It's pretty much the same setup, I believe. I've been playing around with Unbounce a little bit. I haven't fully been sold on that product yet, but maybe. ClickFunnels is pretty good for now. So what we got a funnel built here. It's just one page, and on that page we're going to have we're going to have links, okay? And a lot of people would just normally put a link to the affiliate offer after the squeeze page. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add another step here. And what we're going to do on that is we're going to create a we're going to call this a white page. It's basically just a white page redirect, okay? And we can show it in the funnel here, and we'll just create the funnel step, all right? And then the way this is going to work is there's a little snippet of code. We're going to make this a, just do a search for blank pages, and you just want to find a blank page because you're not going to have anything on this page. It's just going to be a redirect page. Okay, so we're going to do a, select that one, and this is going to be blank. Okay, I want to make sure there's nothing on it. Okay, so there's a little bit of stuff on here. So you're just going to go ahead and delete all this. So just delete, and then delete, and then delete, and just get rid of all the garbage on here. And there's nothing here now. What you want to do then, the next step is you want to go into settings. And I like to mess with this SEO data. And I'm doing an insurance offer. Special. So we'll just put something here, and just kind of, I don't know if people actually see this, but I'd like to just update it just in case it pops up for a second or something. Discounted insurance, and then keywords, insurance. You don't really need this. You're not doing any kind of SEO. Put my name here, and we'll just put an image here just for giggles. We'll put that decent. All right. So then the next thing we need to do here is we're going to go into settings and put in the tracking code, okay? And this is where you're going to place your lead pixel, okay? Now when you're doing your pixels, okay, when you're doing on Facebook, let me see here. Let me see if I can get this bigger. And we're going to go like that. Okay, so you're going to have your pixel code that you copy from Facebook right here, and you go to the setup, and this is the setup here. You're going to click this button, and this is going to be your pixel code, okay, in your Facebook pixel. I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with that. And then the first one they're going to give you is the page view, okay? So you're going to place that on the initial squeeze page. I'll show you that in a second. The one we're going to place right now, this is going to be what is called the lead pixel. It's got to have a capital L, and see where it says page view here? You just replace page view with the word lead, and this is going to be your lead pixel. And then the final pixel, if you can put it on the advertiser's page, it's going to be what's called your purchase pixel. So we're going to change this to purchase, and it's with a small p, okay, like that. I could spell it right, but you'd need better because it will work properly. So that's going to go on the advertiser thank you page, okay? And unfortunately, some people won't let you place that, but some will, some won't. But you can kind of let Facebook know when a lead comes in by the people that are going to go from the squeeze page at least to the offer. Okay, whether they actually convert on the offer is a different story, but at least you're giving Facebook some data. Okay, and that's going to be your lead. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go in and we're going to take this lead pixel, okay, and we're going to put it right here in the top of your header code, okay? And you want to put this on top. All right, so it's going to look like this, and then you'll see here there's a little bit of code on the bottom here, okay? And this is below the pixel code, and this is set to 1. You can set this to 0. You can set this to 5 seconds, 4. I always usually put it at 1. Okay, and this code I put on a blog post I did about this exact thing. I made it so you could copy and paste this code. This is your redirect code, okay? And basically it just redirects the people to the actual offer. You're going to want to put your actual offer right here, okay? So whatever offer you're running, for this example, I'll just put, I'll just go ahead and put my website here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I'll just put / marketing Meathead. Okay, marketing Meathead. Okay, marketing Meathead, and that should it's an actually S, so that should redirect to marketing Meathead. I don't know if I have a www on there or not, but it should be fine. Let me just double check. Yeah, no www. Okay. So that code is going to redirect now as soon as we get to that page in 1 second, because we changed this to 1. But I set this up on my blog under how to fire the Facebook lead pixel and ClickFunnels, and then I set this up so you guys can copy and paste it right from my blog. So I'll leave a link to that below, and I got instructions here on my blog as well. But this is going to do a redirect in 1 second, and it's going to go to Marketing Meathead, and we got to put .com here. Okay. All right, so once we're done with that, we can just go ahead and save this page, and then our white page redirect is set up, okay? So we're gonna go out of there. Now the next thing we gotta do is we gotta make sure all the links on the actual squeeze page are properly set to go to the white page, okay? So this is your white page, okay? Notice how this is highlighted, and this is your white page. So we gotta copy that, and you notice how it pulled up Marketing Meathead already. So it's recognizing that. And on the actual squeeze page itself, anywhere that we have a link, now I'm just going to do this one time. There's multiple links on this page, but I'll just do it once for you guys. Like say, for example, you want to make this link go to the white page, okay? So we're going to click on this, and we're going to take this out, and we'll put this in as a paste, and we're going to go ahead and you got to hit enter in ClickFunnels, and then that is set up, okay? Now this is going to go, this is what you'd set up all these buttons as the same thing. You'd put that link there. Now the other thing you want to do here is in your tracking code, this is where you'd want to put your page view pixel. Notice I already have that set up in here, okay? So that page view pixel is set up, so we're just going to go ahead and leave that in there. That was a different pixel, but you get the idea. The pixel goes for there for page view, and then the lead pixel goes on the white page. All right, so let's go ahead and click save on this, and then we're going to test it out. And this is just going to be for example purposes only. So we just go to preview here. Remember, we only updated one link, and that was this one. So we're going to click on this link, and let's see what happens. Boom. All right, and there's our 1 second, and it takes us to Marketing Meathead. Okay, and then that fired the lead pixel. Okay, so now we got a page view and we got a lead. Okay, somebody clicked on that. So that would be a very useful thing if you can't place the lead pixel or the purchase pixel on the thank you page for the offer. You'd go ahead and put the lead pixel on your links. That way, as soon as someone clicks on the link, at least Facebook's seeing that people are interested enough to click on the link to go to the offer. Okay, doesn't mean they're going to convert, but it gives Facebook some pretty good data. But that's how you set up a white page redirect in ClickFunnels, so that you have Facebook's able to track your leads. So hopefully you guys got something out of today. I'll go ahead and leave a link to this blog below, and the blog will have the code in it that you need. You can copy and paste it right from there. You're going to probably want to change this to 0 or 1 or 2, whatever you got, however fast you want it to go. You obviously got to put your own affiliate link in here, but that's the simple setup here. And I put all the instructions right here, step by step, on how to do it and why you do it in this blog post. So if you'd like that, I'd like you to check that out. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.